Hello, welcome back. I'm Barney. Welcome to the video. As you seen there, we pulled the combine out yesterday. Today's Tuesday. I gave it a wash and stuff. Yesterday, I didn't really record much because all I done was get covered in shite. So there's no point. But yeah, we're gonna pull the combine down, give it a grease, and get cutting. We'll cut a sample and see if it's good, bad, or indifferent. Right.
Right.
Yeah. So we don't have far to go. Got the barley. That's a positive. Just fill it up at the moment. Yeah, just give it a quick grease and should be ready to go then. Done, yeah. Chopping away, cutting away. Yeah, we'll leave him at it because, you know, first time cutting, you know, it always takes a minute or two to get back into it. So I'm going to take off the take off the trolley, put a trailer on, and then watch the other two trailers out. So it started to rain, nothing crazy, but just enough to stop and test the sample and get to dinner. So it's not really bright skies, so I'm gonna be mad cutting anyhow. just starting to piss rain. We've about I'd say we're just under 3/4 done. So I don't see us doing any more tonight. So I reckon well, this trailer's full. Anyway, the big L. It's a big aluminium trailer. It's full, so packing it into the shed for the night. Now, and we're done. All the fields cut. It is now Friday, by the way. So we started cutting Wednesday and cutting away no bother. Started raining Wednesday evening, so we stopped. There's no panic. I wasn't here yesterday. And I finished it all. And this is the footage we got, so it's pretty good footage. So yeah, that's all the footage I got of yesterday. So to wrap this video off, Enda's going baling, and I have to go. He's going baling hay. I raked his own hay, and it's going to bale it now. And I'm going to take the trailer off and put on the rake and go bale some more hay. Enda's just leaving there now. I don't know if you can hear him. So yeah, we'll go and do that, and it'll be great. Horse by day, bat horse by night. There's Enda coming with the baler. Start baling. You have to be sick of the baler by now. You just have to be. But it's what we do. It's what we do. So that's all that road. And Enda's baling away there, not a bother. So it's going to be the end of the episode unless something dramatically happens between now and the next 2 hours when we go home. So thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you get your corn and your hay cut. Stay safe out there in this harvest season, because you know it's not the end of the world. And don't put your fingers where you wouldn't put your pecker. Right, I'm away. Good luck.